In this video, I will show you how to create your own Discord server. Whether you want a private server for your friends, a gaming group, or your own community, you can set one up pretty quickly. So let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are logged in, look at the top left corner of the screen. Here you will see a plus icon. Tap on it to create a new server. Here you can choose create my own if you want to make a server from scratch. Discord will also show you some templates. You can use one of them if you want to set up your server faster. Next, Discord will ask what you are creating the server for. You will see two options here. I am going to choose for me and my friends. Now it's time to give your server a name. Enter any name you want. It can be your gaming group name or simply anything you like. You can also upload a picture here and use it as your server icon. Once everything looks good, tap create server. And there you go. Your Discord server is now ready. You can now invite friends, create different channels, change the server setting and customize it however you want. So that's how you can easily create a Discord server. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.